If you really like the small size and cheap price tag of the Mi Air Dots, but couldn't get your hands on them because, well, Xiaomi doesn't sell them here in India, then today's video is for you. These are the Boat Air Dots. But are they really that dope? Corny jokes apart, let's find out in today's video. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech and let's dive right into it. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So recently, I've been looking at quite a few Bluetooth earbuds. We've had the Mi Air Dots, the Boat Air Dots here, and later on there's also another video coming on the Nokia True Wireless. Now, is there any other particular Bluetooth headset that you guys would want me to check out? Let me know in the comments below and I'll try to get that done. So first up, the box contents. We have the Air Dots, the charging case, this micro USB cable, extra ear tips, some paperwork. Now don't toss the manual away just yet. You'd need it to get them to pair properly. See, the first time I turned on the Air Dots and paired them, they showed up as two separate headphones. I was pretty confused till I read the manual. So what you have to do here is first turn on the right earbud, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is off at this point, then turn on the left one. The LED indicators on both will flash rapidly for a couple of seconds and then slow down. That's it, your two earpieces are now connected and you can now connect it to your phone as always. I know it appears to be a little long-winded, but trust me, way better than the Mi Air Dots. We had so many connection issues with that one. Anyway, let's move on to the most important part. How do they sound? Good, not great, but definitely not something to scoff at. The bass is pretty powerful and they do get quite loud, which is again a plus. But when it comes to the lows, they're quite muddy and the treble sometimes gets a bit lost. So if you're serious about audio fidelity, these really aren't for you. So who are these for? Well, they are mostly for people who want Bluetooth earbuds that are lightweight, truly wireless and don't cost an arm or a leg. To their credit, the Boat Air Dots do have a pretty good build. Yes, it's all shiny black plastic, but once you put them on, the fit is nice and snug and the sound isolation is really good. They even have an X4 rating, meaning it should be safe from accidental water splashes. As far as comfort level goes, they didn't really hurt my ears and the battery life meant that I was never really wearing them for any prolonged periods of time. More on battery a bit later. And now, onto the connectivity side of things. We have Bluetooth 4.1 in here. The Air Dots didn't really have any disconnection issues in the time that we spent with them. The range was also pretty decent. The only real complaint that I have against them would have to be the battery life. Boat claims a battery life of about 2.5 hours while listening to music, and in real life, we found that to be mostly true. Now that's about a 40% decrease in battery life compared to the Mi Air Dots, which last for around 4 hours. And at 11.2 grams, they're also quite a bit heavier than the Air Dots. Even barring that, there are quite a few compromises here. First up, while taking calls, only the left earphone works, and while we didn't have any trouble listening, the person at the other end of the line often complained that our voice did sound a little low. The carry case here is also bigger than the one we've seen with the Air Dots. It does manage to charge the Air Dots over 3 times, so it's not all bad. And finally, we come to the touch controls. You know, I'm not a fan of touch controls on earbuds and this did nothing to change my mind. It didn't do much wrong either. Pause and play worked well most of the times. So did taking and rejecting calls. Skip to the next track, well that took some getting used to. That's about all the functionality you get here. No volume controls or any way to summon Google Assistant, but then again for the cost, I'm not really complaining. So what's the final verdict on the Boat Air Dots? Should you buy them? Well, if you care a lot about audio fidelity or listen to music or calls for long periods of time, then, well, these aren't really for you. But if you want to look cool with a pair of truly wireless earbuds that are loud and bassy, then and also don't happen to mind the battery life or the bulky carrying case, then for under 2,500 rupees, these are worth looking into. Just keep in mind that the Mi Air Dots do sound better, they last longer, they feel better built, and if you're comparing the prices, at least with the ones in China, both cost about the same. So of course, if Xiaomi ever brings them to India in the 3K or under range, then the Mi Air Dots would be a much better choice. For now, I'm not really recommending the Air Dots. It was a good attempt by Boat and hopefully they come back stronger with the next generation. So these are my 2 cents on the Boat AirDops. Now, I want to know what you guys think about it. Have you ever tried any wireless earbuds? If yes, which ones do you like? Let us know in the comments down below. And with that, it is time I bid you adieu. Please share this video with friends and family if you can. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about it. Also subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my daily content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.